exception. Tell him poor man fi wait on redemption. But me nah bow, me nah bend, me nah crawl. Justice delayed is injustice for all. Them right law but it favor the few. While the sufferer cry, them nah hear what is true. So me chant with the fire burning deep in me chest. No more chains, we not settle for less. Oh, I hear the children crying in the night, searching for a little hope, a little light. Mama praying, daddy working hard in vain. Still the system only bringing in more pain. But I sing love, let it rise above the hate. Even in the struggle we can elevate. Through the storm I will carry on this song. Let the weak know inside them they are strong. Down, down Babylon fire, let it burn tonight. Truth that shine brighter than the darkest night. Stand firm, don't you ever give up the fight. Freedom calling and it feels so right. Chant down Babylon fire, hear the people cry. Lift your voice, let your spirit testify. From the ashes we will rise and never die. Roots and culture reach into the sky. Politicians talk but them tongue full of trick. Promise plenty but the action them sick. Youth them lost in a system so cold, while the leaders only hungry for gold. Legalize truth and equalize rights. Stop the war and the unnecessary fights. If you stand for nothing you will fall so fast. Let us build your future, learn from the past. There's a river flowing deep within your soul, guiding every broken heart to make it whole. Though the road may be rough and full of pain, sun will shine after every drop of rain. Hold the faith, never let your spirit fade. Every sacrifice one day will be repaid. Love is stronger than the chains they try to bind. Free your heart and elevate your mind. The lumber road with wickedness, me say no deal. Truth is the weapon and the power is real. So let your love shine bright like the morning sun. Together as one, the victory is won. Chant down Babylon fire, let it burn tonight. Truth that shine brighter than the darkest night. Stand firm, don't you ever give up the fight. Freedom calling and it feels so right. Chant down Babylon fire, hear the people cry. Lift your voice, let your spirit testify. From the ashes we will rise and never die. Yeah, church and pride and stool on the ice hill road, rising like thunder from the rebel crowd. Every ghetto youth got a story untold. From the heat of the struggle to the streets so cold. System try to break we with pressure and lies, but a lion not never compromise. Stand tall like a warrior, firm and bold. Righteousness worth more than silver and gold. I see a brighter day just beyond the pain, like a rainbow shining after heavy rain. Though the road may twist and the night feel long, there's a healing power in a simple song. So I lift my voice with a melody sweet, bringing comfort to the weary on the street. Let the harmony carry every broken soul, till we all unite and become whole. Babylon system is a vampire scheme, sucking out the life of the people's dream. Education twisted, history erased, truth replaced with lies that them embrace. But me read between every hidden line, liberation come when you free your mind. No chain can hold what is destined to rise. Open up your vision, see through the sky. Oh, the children dancing with their heads held high. Even when the tears fall from their eyes, there's a beauty in the strength they show, like a river that continues to flow. Let the music be a shelter from the storm, a safe place where the heart feels warm. Through every trial, love will always remain, like sunshine breaking through the rain. When divide and conquer, that's the master plan. Turn God against every fellow man, but unity is not back down. Even if them try to take me crown, truth is the weapon me carry inside. Guided by justice, finna go high.